now, what does the VP want to do as the Vice President and once and for all address the criticisms that you've been not doing your job but just going around the world? So, ano po yung plano natin?
Yes, ma'am. Very recently, we did our Pasidungog, no? Doon sa Pasidungog ay binigay na namin yung report namin sa taong bayan kung ano yung isang taon na nangyari sa Office of the Vice President. At binigyan din namin ng recognition yung mga partners namin for the past year sa Office of the Vice President. Since tinanggal na ng House of Representatives or ng Congress yung medical and burial assistance ng Office of the Vice President, ang naiwan na lang sa mga projects namin ay pagbabago yung Million Learners and Trees campaign. This is a campaign for education targeting 1 million school children by 2028 and targeting 1 million trees by 2028. And then ang next namin is ang Magnegosyo Taday namin. This is targeting women's association and LGBT groups or individuals who want to access financing for their micro or small enterprises. And then next is we still have our disaster operations center. Yun sila araw-araw yung nagbibigay ng tulong namin. Kapag merong sunog, may baha, merong evacuees dahil sa pagsabog ng bulkan or dahil sa bagyo, kung ano man yung problem doon sa area of responsibility nila. And then we also have the Libreng Sakay program. Ito yung mga buses na pinahiram sa Office of the Vice President. So ang ginawa namin ay nilagay namin sila sa mga ruta na kailangan ng augmentation, transportation during high traffic hours. And then ang next namin is yung Pansarap program namin. This is the feeding program namin wherein we target school children, malnourished school children for 120 days. We do our feeding program. In fact, meron kaming funny story dito sa Pansarap namin na project, no? Dahil after 120 days, nagkaroon kami ng beneficiary na naging obese ang kanyang weight. So nagka-problema na naman kami kasi sabi nung aming project manager, hindi pwedeng obese ang isang bata. So kailangan dun sila pumasok sa weight para sa edad nila. So, yun po yung mga projects ongoing for the Office of the Vice President. And dagdag doon sa mga ginagawa ng opisina namin doon sa loob ng Office of the Vice President and mga satellite offices namin, no? We have in Pangasinan, in Isabela, in National Capital Region, and then we have Western, Central, and Eastern Visayas. We have BARM, we have Western Mindanao, Southern Mindanao, and Caraga, and Bicol. So, yan yung mga ginagawa nila. And then para sa akin, dinadagdag namin yung mga invitations ng various associations. And then yung invitations ng Filipino communities abroad, mainly to discuss what happened to President Duterte at anong nangyari doon sa kanyang extraordinary rendition and yung injustice ng ICC, justice na ginagawa ng ICC holding an 80-year-old man in detention knowing he has health problems. And then yung discuss din namin during our Filipino community events kung ano ba yung mga gusto makita ng mga kababayan natin, lahat ng mga OFWs na nakatira or nakatrabaho abroad dahil napakaraming best practices around the globe. And then finally, we discuss what is happening right now in our country. So yan yung mga ginagawa namin.